Important to aircraft safety. When dirty or scratched, they may be difficult for a pilot to see through, particularly when flying or taxiing into the sun. While cleaning an aircraft windshield or window may at first seem like an easy task, there are many ways they may be unintentionally degraded if not treated carefully. Before servicing any type of aircraft windshield or windows, you need to be aware of specific cleaning agents, precautions, and procedures. In relation to aircraft, windshields and windows are often referred to as transparencies. You must always confirm that the pilot wants the transparencies cleaned before beginning. Many pilots are sensitive to the risk of accidental damage and may have special cleaning products for their aircraft. Aircraft transparencies may be constructed from coated layers of glass or from plastic polymers such as acrylics and polycarbonates. In general aviation, the line service specialist may be requested by the pilot to clean each of these types. Click on each one for more information. Coated glass windshields are predominantly found on turbine-powered aircraft. The glass coating is a thin layer of tin oxide which converts the insulating glass into an electrically conducting heat surface for icing protection. To protect this capability, only a compatible glass cleaner is used. Acrylic transparencies are typically referred to as plexiglass and found on unpressurized light aircraft. These thinner and softer transparencies are the most susceptible to scratches and age cracking. Polycarbonate transparencies are commonly known as Lexan. They are stronger, scratch-resistant, and can be found on pressurized aircraft as unheated windshields, cockpit side windows, and passenger windows. After a cleaning service request is made, use caution. You will need to be aware of the potential hazards with regards to heated windshields, static electricity, and some types of personal accessories you may be wearing. Some aircraft windshields are heated or have a separate hot plate and can still be hot to the touch after the aircraft has been powered down. Never use cold water on a hot windshield, as the sudden change in temperature can cause the windshield to crack. Aircraft generate static electricity during flight. Static is most prevalent just after landing, particularly in dry conditions. Touching a statically charged windshield can result in a static shock. The shock itself is unlikely to cause significant injury, but could be enough to jolt you off the ladder if it catches you by surprise. The best mitigation for statically charged windshields is simply the passage of time, as the static will slowly dissipate on its own. If the aircraft must be serviced immediately, clean the windshield last, ideally after the aircraft has been refueled, as the bonding cable used during refueling will have helped to dissipate any static buildup. Remove any personal items such as watches, neckwear, rings, belt buckles, name badges, or shirt pocket objects. Any of these items may scratch aircraft transparencies during cleaning. Examine the windshield or window carefully before beginning. Make sure the transparency has not been previously damaged. If so, do not begin until the pilot or your supervisor has been shown the concern. If the transparency is especially dirty or covered with insects, dust, or pollens, it is advisable to first flush the surface with clear running water to dislodge contaminants that could scratch it during cleaning. Coated glass, acrylic, and polycarbonate transparencies use cleaning solutions specifically formulated for their individual properties. Always be certain to select the correct aviation-approved cleaning agent for the type of windshield or window being cleaned. Using incorrect cleaning agents on glass and polymers can lead to impaired de-icing capabilities and visual acuity problems. Permanent discoloration, chemical crazing, distortions, and streaking can contribute to costly and premature replacement. Avoid using any petroleum distillates or any cleaner having petroleum distillates. Especially avoid a cleaner that leaves a wax or repellent compound on the transparency. When cleaning transparencies, use liberal amounts of cleaning solution to hold the remaining dust and dirt in suspension and to avoid scratches. Select a soft fiber cleaning rag or specialized disposable towels that are approved for cleaning aircraft windshields. Do not use paper towels and never use shop rags. Shop rags frequently contain embedded metal particles and other materials that could damage windshield surfaces. When using an approved cleaning cloth or towel, always rub the cleaning solution in the direction of airflow. Use up and down strokes on the windshield and horizontal strokes on the side windows. Turn the cleaning cloth or towel frequently until the windshield is clean and dry. Never clean using circular motions. Circular motions will leave microscopic swirl patterns that diffuse light and contribute to windshield glare. Click on the example button to see the difference. Lastly, do not wipe transparencies with a dry cleaning cloth or towel. Some aircraft windshields or windows may already be energized with static electricity, and dry rags will generate additional static electricity when rubbed across windshields. Also, a dry rag has a greater likelihood of scratching transparency surfaces, as dirt is not held in suspension with a cleaning fluid.